Hi, I'm Connie Siu. Welcome to the series on performance measurement. Tableau and Power BI are two popular tools that companies use to create dashboards and report their results. Both applications offer a variety of chart types and overwhelming ways to cut and dice the data. It is exciting to see all the possibilities. However, a shiny tool doesn't necessarily offer useful information. Creating a dashboard is more than putting information on the screen with eye-catching charts and graphs, but presenting useful information in an easy-to-understand manner. I'd like to offer 3 tips here. Tip number 1, spend the time to identify information that is useful. Ask what data would be helpful to determine how well the business or specific activities are performing. This boils down to determining the performance indicators that are indicative of true performance. Tip number 2, organize the information. Take a look at the metrics that you selected and group them into logical bundles. For example, on sales growth, you might want to show the sources of growth by product category or by geographic region. The goal here is to collate the information that will allow you to address the chain of questions that follow. And tip number 3, choose the simplest way for display. Which chart type do you use? The line graph is perfect for depicting trends, and a stack bar graph is good for showing relative sizes over time. Avoid dumping too much information into one graph, and anything that takes more than a minute to explain is too complicated. If you follow these 3 tips, you will be able to make your dashboard useful, make it easy to understand, and provide insightful information. Thank you for watching. I'm Connie Siu.